If we could, we would fill our hands with all the wonderful things you give us. Then we'd lift them up and give them back to you.
Hello, grade 5 pupils. This is our week 10 of our mensuration class. And today we are going to discuss the lesson 2, volume of cones, page 475. Okay, so we have here a volume of a cone. Okay, so this is a model of a cone. Okay, so the volume or V of a cone with a radius is 1/3 the area of the base times the height. Okay, so this is the formula. Okay, volume equals 1/3 the base times the height, or you could say, okay, the base here is the di ko kabalo. Okay, so you have here a volume of a cone. Okay, so this is a model of a cone. Okay, so you have here the radius, then the height. Okay, so the volume of a cone with a radius or R is 1/3 the area of the base or B times the height or the H. Okay, so you have here volume equals 1/3 times the base times the height, or volume equals 1/3 times the radius times pi radius squared times the height. Okay, so you should remember this one. This is the formula on how to find the volume of a cone. Okay, so a cone is a three-dimensional figure with one circular base such that each point of the base is connected to a single vertex. Okay, so let us find the volume of a cone of this model. Then round to the nearest tenth. Okay, so you have here the radius is this one. Radius is half of the diameter. Okay, so radius here is 3 centimeter and the height is 6 centimeter. Okay, so volume equals 1/3 times radius times r squared or radius squared times the height. Okay, then you will simplify the given. Then here, volume equals 1/3 times the pi, which is the value of pi is 3.14. Okay, then times the radius, which is 3. 3 times 3 is 9 times 9. Okay, so this is 36. This is 9 times 1 is 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, then 9 times 3 is 27 plus 1 is 28. So, 1, 2, 1, 2, 28, 26. Times the height, which is 6. Okay, so you have here 36. 6 times 2 is 12 plus 3 is 15. Then carry 1. Okay, so 6 times 8 is 48 plus 1 is 49. Then 6 times 2 is 12 plus 4 is 16. 1, 2. Okay, so 169.56. Okay, so 1/3 of this one, or 169.56 divided by 3. Okay, so the answer is 56.5. Therefore, the volume of this model is 56.5 cubic centimeter. Okay, so remember that if remember the unit of the volume, you should write cubic or cubic centimeter, or you could say cm then cube. But you will read this one centimeter, cubic centimeter or centimeter cube. Okay, so this time let us try to answer letter A. Okay. We will solve this one with this formula. You have here volume equals 1/3 times 1/3 radius r 1/3 pi radius squared times the height. Okay, so 1/3 times 3.14 times the radius here is 2 squared times 7. Okay, so 1/3. Okay, so 2 times 2 is 4. So 3.14 times 4 is 16.1. Okay, it's 5, then 12. It's 12.56 times 7. Okay, it's 2, 4. Okay, so 7 times 5, 35, 39. It's 14, it's 17, 1, it's 8, 87.92. Okay, so 87.92. Okay, 87.92. So 1/3 of 87.92. Okay, let's solve 87 divided by 87.92 divided by 3, or 1/3 of 87.92. Okay, so the answer is 29.307. Okay, so the instruction is round off to the nearest tenth. Okay, so it's 29.3. Okay, so let's have another example. Okay, a cone-shaped paper cup is filled with water. The height of the cup is 10 centimeters and the diameter is 8 centimeters. What is the volume of a paper cup? Round to the nearest tenth. Okay, so the same formula. Volume equals 1/3 times times pi radius squared times the height. Okay, so you have there the radius, which is 4. Why is it 4, teacher? Because the diameter here is 8 man. Do you know that radius is half of the diameter? Yes, so half of 8, that is 4. So that's why the radius here is 4. Then the height is 10 centimeter. Okay, then simplify. Okay, so 3.14 times 16 times 10 divided by 3, that is 167.6. Therefore, the volume of a paper cup is about 167.6 cubic centimeters. Okay, so let's proceed with the volume of a composite solids. So when a composite solids includes cylinders and cones, you can find the volume by decomposing it into solids, which volumes you know how to find. Okay, so let's find out the volume of the solid. Round to the nearest tenth. Okay, so this one. This is a composite solid. This one is the cone and this one is the cylinder. So first, you need to find the volume of a cylinder. Okay, so remember what is the formula you have there? Okay, to get the volume of the cylinder, the formula you will use is this one. Volume equals pi times radius squared times the height. So no 1/3 here. Okay, so simplify. So here you have the radius of 4 because here is this is the diameter man, so 8. So half of 8 is 4. Then the height here is 4. So simplify. So pi, that is 3.14. Okay, so 3.14. Okay, so 4 times 4, that is 16. Times 4, 16 times 4 is 64. So 3.14 times 64, that is 4 times 4 is 16. Then 4 times it's 5, then it's 12, then it's 4, it's 2, it's 8, it's 18. So 6, that is 9, 10, 1, that is 2. So the answer here is 200.96. So you will round off man to the nearest tenth. So that's the answer is 201.1. So correct. Then step 2, you need to find after getting the volume of the cylinder. So next you will find the volume of a cone. Kanina sad siya. Kay composite solid man. So you will decompose man the solid. So kanina sad imuhang kwaon nga volume. Okay, so the volume, the formula on how to find the volume of the of the cone. So you have here 1/3 times pi times radius squared times the height. Okay, so you have here the value of pi is 3.14, then the radius is 4, 16. 4 times 4 is 16, then times the height here is 5. So 16 times 5, that is 80. Then 80 times 3.14. Okay, so that is 251.2. Then 1/3 of 251.2 or 251.2 divided by 3. So the answer is 83.73. Then you will round off man. So that's okay here. So 83.8. But it is not 3 raman siya. So 83.7 na siya. Okay. So the volume of the solid is about, okay, you will add the volume of the cylinder and the volume of a cone. So 201.1 plus 83.8. So the volume of this composite solid is 284.9 cubic meter. Okay, so that would be all for this week, grade 5 pupils. I hope you have learned something new today. And if you have any question or clarification with my discussion today, don't hesitate to message me in my messenger account. Thank you and keep safe, everyone.